Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix file format not supported problem on WhatsApp status. So guys, if you are trying to update or add a status on your WhatsApp but you're facing this problem and you are unable to update your status, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, here I will give you two solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that you are using the updated version of WhatsApp in your device. So as if you're using iPhone, then open your App Store, and if you're using Android phone, then open your Play Store and check your WhatsApp. So guys, simply open your Play Store or App Store and search here for WhatsApp. So guys, here it is. And now you can see this, the WhatsApp is not updated. So guys, simply update it, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then the second solution is that you have to change the format of your file. So as for that, you can download any format changer app on your Play Store or your App Store. So I simply open your Play Store or App Store and search for format changing app, and after this you can easily change the format of the file on your device. So as once you change the format of your file, after this hopefully you will be able to update your WhatsApp status with that file. So as these are the two solutions for this problem. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.